Alright, we are making Pothos art. Potho is a wonderful plant. It cleans indoor atmosphere. It makes a beautiful indoor plant. Also in outdoor, you can put outdoor too. It doesn't like direct sunlight because it naturally grows in the dense forest, dense jungle, where the sun doesn't directly hit the earth surface. So this tree, it looks very artistic when it grows in this. This is also tree in our yard which we cut 2 weeks ago, and now we want to make use of it. And it's a plant art, Pothos art you could call it. So it will climb all over, and then it will look so beautiful. So we can make like this one little tree here, one big tree. It will be something like this. So I want to sit here on my lush green. Sadhu, can you please bring the bucket? Very strong girl. Thanks.
I do yoga every time.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Okay, good. All right, so we are going to dump this one. It was growing inside. It was growing very, very thick. So, oh, that's awesome. It doesn't want to.
It wants to stay at home.
You're right. It wants to just be there.
It likes the home.
Ooh.
Oh, it doesn't.
It doesn't want to come out. It's like a rock.
It's really old.
Yeah, because it's a root bound, and when it has tons of root inside.
It's very old.
Oh, really?
It's so hard. It's hardened.
Because of the root.
Oh,
It has tons.
Oh, yeah,
It has tons of root inside. Oh, maybe I can use shovel here.
I gave you that.
Thank you, Sadika.
You're welcome. Oh, it's working.
Yeah, it's working.
Maybe it's because the root is connected together,
Yeah,
tangled.
that's entangled. Yeah, that's right. But we can, even though it comes like this, it's fine. Because yeah, it's come finally.
Oh,
Woohoo!
fine. Oh my God, it is.
So,
Is it up here?
Yes.
I see. This one or this one?
oh, all the root system. We don't need extra root here.
The blue pants and the little black.
That's true, but that's okay.
You didn't tell me that.
Okay, so yeah. All right, so we are going to fill up this one right here, and all the way. Okay, so we are going to put this way here. Oh, how about this? We are creating here like little jungle environment, and then all right, so this is our tree in the forest. So we made like a nice type of braid, sort of braiding hair. So we are trying to create natural forest here, a mini forest, and then how it's climbing all around the jungle, and then it's like snaking. In Amazon jungle there are so many trees, so no, maybe it's better because it's, it's so pointy there. So I don't want to have like a pointy area here. So it looks like it's snaking all around, and right here perhaps go this way, and then this snakes, this Pothos snakes, very nice. I want to see if it can go inside here. Maybe it can make a nice shape all around. and land here. I think it looks so beautiful. And then, so when it has a new growth all around, we are going to trim some yellow leaves here. We don't need, maybe this one too. And then now we'll water here, and then it's like a dense forest. Pause for a while. Yeah. It's just to grow, it will grow everywhere. And our Pothos art is ready. It will take some time to establish, then it will, it's like, I call it a little mini forest, healing mini forest, because it looks so artistic when it have all like vibrant growth all over, and it will look like a tree. In the natural environment there are many dead trees, you just climb everywhere, and then when it's covered with vines, even the dead trees look live tree, like green tree. So let's see how it goes.